Hello there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to implement our house price prediction project using Sklearn that I have implemented in the last video without any libraries. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the coding. Okay guys, so this was the code that we wrote in the last video. Now we have to just import some libraries. Let's take from sklearn dot linear models import linear regression. Okay, so it should be, I think, linear model. Yeah. So sklearn is one of the most used library in machine learning because it has almost every machine learning algorithm implemented in it, and we just have to make a few line of code and we can implement that code right now. So we wrote all of this just to implement the thing that we are going to do in under 5 minutes. Okay, so we are importing linear regression from here right now, and what I can do is I can make a object of this linear regression class. So linear, let's take regression, and okay, now what I can do is also I can fit, and in this fit method we need to provide our x and y. Now what it is going to do, it is automatically, basically it is automatically going to apply all of this. It is automatically going to apply all of this when we will use this fit. So now let's run this. Okay, and now we have lr. What we can do is lr dot predict. We can predict now. So let's take x and let's take the fifth example. Okay, so it is showing us an error. I think it should be a 2D. Yeah, so we have our output as 25. Okay, so this is the predict, but we want to compare our accuracy with our own model. So this was our accuracy that we got from our model, and now for this what we can do is lr dot score, and in this again we can pass x and y. And as you can see here, so our model didn't do bad at all, because linear regression using sklearn is also predicting like almost the same accuracy. So our model was very good from in terms of this, and I think this was it for this video. Now if you want to do anything related to sklearn, then you can uh, use sklearn instead of my code, or anything you want to do. So this was it for this video, and I hope that I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.